Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the Zara app on iOS and Android. You click on Zara and it will take you to the home page where it shows you the current things. It's like the TikTok For You page, which I like, and you can sign up to their newsletter, and after you click on it, it's going to take you to the home page. So the home page is here. You can find things, you can click on it. Like let's say you want to buy blazers. You click on blazers that are good, oversized, double-breasted. You can choose your filters here on the top. It's kind of confusing, but yeah, it's really easy. You can click on home and buy things like kitchen, like bedroom things, bed linen. That's, for example, you can buy it from Zara. It shows the price on the bottom. They're kind of overpriced, but they're like good quality, better than Shein. You can click on men t-shirts. Look at this, guys. There's a lot of good t-shirts that you can buy. So this one looks fine. This one looks fine. You can swipe right to find it. And this is the menu, by the way. And also you can click on your profile and log in. Also, here's a shopping cart on the right. So this is your shopping cart. Let's try to buy something. So this one looks fine. This one looks fine as hell. Wow. So let's click on add to bag. Let's choose large since most of you guys are large. It's adding to our shopping cart, and then you can see your shopping cart, and after you do it, you can click on continue, and you have to like continue as guest, and then it will ask you to fill out your information about like your shipping address and other places. So it looks fine. This looks fine. Let's choose the home product. So there's like small pillowcase here. It looks good. Or let's buy this Mickey Mouse for the Valentine's Day. So let's click on add to bag. It will tell you the length and everything. You can find the size guide that is listed here. So their size guide look amazing. Like if you need to like fill out something for your house, you gotta be careful. And yeah, basically this is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find the stores nearby by clicking here, maps. And there's only 2 stores in my area. Yeah, so basically that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.